Without you, the sun refuses to rise. Without you, the moon eclipses and hides. Without you, people have no faces and sounds make no words. Without you, I'm homeless because, babe, you are my world. Without you, the glass ice freezes me. Without you, the snowbanks encage me. Without you, I'm so lonely in our bed. Without you, you're a figment in my head. Without you, the rotation of the earth just stops. Without you, there is no light, no love, no warmth, no rest. Without you, there is no sky or ground, no east or west. Without you, a week turns to months as the clocks crawl by. Without you, I never again want to say goodbye.